Okay, today we're doing the metrics conversions foldables for our interactive notebook. So you're going to need 3 sheets for this. You're going to need all of the ones that say metric conversions at the top. They will look very similar, but they are slightly different. So if you notice, this first one says length, the next one says mass, and then the third one says volume on it. So there are 3 different sheets. Okay, and we're going to need our interactive notebook, of course. So you're going to open up past the triple beam balance, past the graduated cylinder, to the next fresh, clean page. Okay, we are going to glue everything on the right side as always, and the left side is going to stay blank. So for now, the first thing you're going to need to do is all 3 are cut out the same way. So you're going to cut out along the outside, along the thick black line, the whole outside. And you're also going to cut out this bit here that says kilo, hecta, deca, meter, gram, liter, deci, centi, milli. So it's this rectangle here, and then this kind of funky shape here. Okay, you're leaving this bit attached. So if you do that for me now for all 3, please. Okay, once you have it cut out, they'll look like this. You should have length, mass, and volume all lined up like that, and then you have your 3 little rectangles there as well. So what we're going to do is first we're going to glue these rectangles down. They go right in this spot here. Okay, so that's the space where there's a rectangle. That's where those rectangles are going to get glued down. So put some glue on the back here. And we're going to glue that right in that rectangle so that we have it at the top. Need to add some to the sides like I do, you can. Okay, so that's 1. And we'll do it 2 more times here. That's 2. And last one. All right, this last one we're going to glue down as well. Okay, once you have that done, we're going to make sure that we keep these in order. We have our length, then our mass, then our volume. And we're going to glue right on the tabs. We're going to glue the tabs together. So if you flip length over, and you put a little bit of glue right on the back of that tab. You're going to stick that one right to the mass one. And then we're going to flip the whole thing over, put some glue on the back of the tab, and that one gets stuck to the volume one. Then this whole thing is going to get glued into the notebook, but just from the tab. So just the back of the tab gets glued down. So just a little bit at the top, and you can stick that right along the margin there. And then what you end up having is a little bit of a flip book. You can fold that one back, and we can fold the next one back. And this is going to be our practice for tomorrow. So that should be glued in just like that. At the top of the page, if you want, you can put a title, and I would make the title say metric conversions. So I'm going to write metric conversions right at the top so I know what it is that I'm going to be looking at here. Okay, as always, remember to clean up your scraps. Make sure everything makes it, all your garbage makes it into the trash, and I will see you in class.